How to add quick decline new messages on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, open up the phone application. Next, tap on the More button and then tap on Settings. Now in Call Settings, we then scroll down and tap on Quick Decline Messages. From here, tap on the Add button, then enter in your new message. And then tap on Save. So write your message and then tap on Save. Okay, so after that, you can also tap on the bell icon as well to notified. Okay, so after that, once you receive a incoming call, you can use the new decline messages. Okay, so let's test it out. I have an incoming call.
It jumbles and
Here, I can choose this one. And that's it. So now I have quickly replied to that call. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.